Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike has stated that all elected representatives of the state should be humbled by their victories and rededicate themselves to the service of Rivers people. Speaking during a congratulatory visit by the members of the Rivers State House of Assembly on Monday at the Government House, Port Harcourt, Governor Wike said that the support of the people and God made the victorious possible.
So this victory should humble everybody and recommit yourself and dedicate yourself to serving God if you've not before now. So you should dedicate yourselves. Don't see this as an opportunity for you to continue your old ways. See it as an opportunity to start a new life. It's very, very important.
He said that with the victories recorded by the PDP across Rivers State, it wouldn't have been possible for any other party to win in Rivers State.
31. We had 13 House of Reps and 3 Senate. So I don't know how. I don't know how it is possible for any other party to have won the governorship election. If you know what will pass through. Some of you, you don't really know what was happening. But if you know what will pass through, you can know. But every day you wake up, you say, thank God. If you know what will pass the forces, it is not just an internal forces, everywhere, just to take over Rivers State. So, and God stood for us. So this would issue.
Governor Wike said that members who lost the PDP party tickets will be accommodated in Rivers State government. He particularly commended the former Deputy Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Marshal Uwom, and former Speaker Dabo Adams for remaining loyal despite losing the party's nominations.
Those of you who did not make it by being candidates, let me assure you that you will not be off, will not be far from the government, particularly the Deputy Speaker. You should learn not when the former Speaker too, Adams, when they say she should not run, he took it in good faith. Those of you who didn't get the ticket back, be assured that he must be in government. That I must tell you, that he must be in government.
He urged elected members of the Rivers State House of Assembly to remain loyal to the party and wait for the party to zone positions in the forthcoming assembly.
Don't scatter a house that has been built for years. The party has not sat down to zone any position. So be careful. People are moving around, lobbying. Who will be this? Who will be this? So we don't have interest. Me as the governor, I don't have interest in who will be speaker, who will be whatever. I want to advise you, it's too early to start doing things that will destroy you. Allow the party, allow the leadership to meet and then decide what will happen. That is why it's party.
The governor charged the members of the Rivers State House of Assembly to always connect with their constituencies for the good of the state.
Why our opponents could not do anything? Yes, they had the army, but they don't have people to lead the army too, so that's why it became army was personally involved. Before, what used to be that the security agencies would lead you, but now because they didn't have people, so army had to be directly involved, which has battered the image of the Nigerian army, which they are struggling to redeem. I pray they redeem it. But if as it is today, the image is heavily battered.
Earlier, Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Queen Awaji Ibani, said that the members were in the government house to congratulate Governor Wike for his victory after the last election.
Yeah, with principal officers and members of Rivers State House of Assembly on a congratulatory visit. you made us to understand as apostles of your own philosophy that one, you will win this election, the 2019 governorship election in the state. And you also heightened our hope by letting us to know that we should follow your footsteps, and that if we do so, that we will succeed. Today, it is part of that success that brought us here to come and congratulate you and thank you on behalf of Rivers State House of Assembly.
He assured that the Rivers State House of Assembly will support the Rivers State Governor to deliver on his campaign promises to the people.
We are here to thank you, to congratulate you as a legislature, and that we will continue in the same manner to support you and ensure that whatever we are going to do as a legislature will continue to do it for the benefit of the state, for the benefit of our people, and indeed, at the end, history will have it in our favor that during this period in Rivers State, that there were people in Rivers State House of Assembly, the 8th Assembly, and indeed those who will also come in the 9th Assembly, that are part and parcel of the history and the making of Rivers State in the 21st century.